Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Carrollwood Village. Step through double doors into soaring ceilings and sunlit living and dining spaces with your first view of the sparkling pool. This beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home features a split bedroom floor plan and an airy layout perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. At the center of the home, the kitchen shines with quartz countertops, a large island, breakfast bar, and plenty of storage. It flows seamlessly into the family room with vaulted ceilings, a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and built-in bar. The primary suite is a private retreat with a custom walk-in closet and spa-like bath featuring dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and relaxing garden tub. 3 additional bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. Step outside to your personal oasis, complete with a covered lanai, screened-in pool, brick paver decking, and a spacious fenced backyard. With a brand new roof in 2022, this home is move-in ready. Don't miss your chance. Contact us to schedule your private tour.